So this is a video showing where I have no sound whatsoever from this car. I can turn up the volume and still nothing. Hit mute, unmute, nothing. I can change my source. And let's go to Sirius. Nothing. What if I went to my map and want to go home? Nothing. So now I'm going to turn off the car and see what happens. Turn the volume down just in case. Car's turning off. No sound when the car turns on. It usually beeps. And this will beep when I say okay, and it still didn't beep. And again, still no audio. Don't know what is causing this.